Then there is another letter from Senator Owelle Rochas, A. Okorocha, GCSI, OON, Danjikan Sokoto, Imo West Senatorial District. Distinguished Senate President, distinguished colleagues, Your Excellency, Nigerian President 2023, World Press Conference. As we are aware, the Independent National Electoral Commission has announced the timetable for the conduct of 2023 general election, including that of the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. While elections drawing nearer as the days go by, our citizens are concerned about the quality of persons to run the affairs of our nation, one who can address some of their major concerns, which includes a detribalized Nigerian who can unite our country, a leader with a compassionate heart who will care for the poor and downtrodden and the masses of our country, a visionary leader who can create wealth for our teeming populace, thereby addressing the issues of poverty, insecurity, and youth restiveness. It is as a result of these concerns that I wish to hold a World Press Conference on my intention to run for the office of the President of our dear nation. I therefore wish to solicit for your prayers as I make known my intention. The press conference is scheduled as follows. Date, 31st January 2022. Venue, Executive Hall, ICC Abuja, time 11 a.m. Working together, we shall build the Nigeria of our collective dreams and aspiration. Signed, Senator Owelle Rochas A. Okorocha, GCSI, OON, Danjikan Sokoto.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.